Today I'm going to talk to you about getting a lawsuit filed against an Amazon seller dismissed in Arkansas. What I want to talk to you about today is a huge victory that our litigation department had working with local counsel in Arkansas, where we got an entire lawsuit just thrown out before our client got dragged into like depositions and all sorts of other trials and machinations that go on in litigation. So whenever you are sued in court, you have to receive what's called service of process. It's a fancy set of words for whoever started the lawsuit getting the papers over to you. And if the papers aren't provided to you in a very particular manner, you can use that as grounds to get the case dismissed. Now, I'm not a lawyer in Arkansas. When I go to Little Rock, I'm just a tourist. But we have local counsel there. They are really, really good. And by working with local counsel, we were able to persuade a judge in Arkansas to take this entire litigation and boom, throw it in the garbage can, and our client was off the hook. Now, that brand may or may not choose to file the lawsuit again, but if they choose to go after our client again, they know we're gonna fight hard. They know that we will not give up. So Amazon sellers, if you get sued, the first things you should be thinking about when you get that lawsuit is number one, can I get the whole case dismissed? And number two, if there's an order issued by the court that's restraining your business in any fashion, can you get that order dissolved right out of the gate? Then you worry about fighting the whole case. But you want to make sure, one, can you get it dismissed right away? And if you can't, can you get the harmful order dissolved so that at least if you have to fight the case, you're doing it while you are still in business. You want to learn more about our litigation department, how we defend sellers, how we represent sellers? Go to our website, submit your case through our online case submission button, or contact me in any one of these 4 ways.